You're pre-approved $25,000. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. We greatly appreciate it. Just a reminder to all viewers, this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through how you can get a personal loan with absolutely no hard credit check. That's right. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the American Express personal loan. And the first step you want to do is sign into your American Express account. Now, again, this is going to be for existing American Express card holders. All right. So what you're going to do once you log into your account, go down here to where it says banking. And then over on the right side, you can see it says personal loans. You're going to click on personal loans. And so you can get funds you need with an American Express personal loan from a minimum of $3,500 all the way up to $40,000. Now, all you got to do is hit this check for an offer button to see how much you qualify for. Now, here's a huge tip, right? So let's say you've never had an Amex personal loan before. Whatever loan offer that they give you, you can just accept it. Sometimes it might be a lower amount than you're expecting, but one thing you can do is just pay the loan off fast, kind of use it as a pledge loan. So when you get the proceeds, you can pay off, let's say 90% of it. And then once you've paid off that first American Express loan and go back, you may qualify for a much larger amount. So we're just going to click this button right here, check for an offer. All right, so it says, good news, you are pre-approved for an American Express personal loan. Pre-approved amount is $25,000, 36-month repayment, and the APR is 8.98%. Now, one thing about the pre-approved Amex personal loans, this is pretty much an approval, right? It's just a matter of you accepting it and deciding how much you actually want to borrow. You could borrow up to the pre-approved amount. So just because you get pre-approved for this amount doesn't mean you have to accept it. You can always choose an amount lower if that's what you're comfortable with. And right here, you actually can select the term. Now, the one thing that I really like about the Amex personal loans is the fact that the APR does not change based on the length of the loan. So if you get a 12-month loan or a 48-month loan, you're still going to be paying the same APR. And to be quite honest with you, in today's current economic climate, 8.9% on a personal loan is fairly decent. Now, right here, you could just select where you want your loan funds to be sent to. If you're already an Amex customer, you could just choose which bank account you want to receive the funds. Now, a couple things that I love about the American Express personal loans. For one, once you pay one off, it actually helps you with getting approved for an additional loan. So one thing you can do, and this is something that I did. So previously I got an Amex loan and I just pretty much used it as a pledge loan. And then I just paid off 90% of it. And over the course of 3 to 4 months, I made small payments until it was paid off. It actually helped with my credit because when you have a loan where you're paying off the majority of the original loan amount, is going to help your FICO score. I've done a video on how you can use what's called the pledge loan hack. When you open up a shared secured loan or an unsecured loan and then pay off 90% of it, that's going to help your credit. It looks like you've paid the majority of the loan off. And so that's going to help your FICO. And then when it comes to American Express, you can use personal loans to not only build your credit, get access to some funds, but also build your internal relationship with American Express. And I love the fact that there's no hard personal credit check. So you could almost continuously do this where you're taking out a loan, you're maybe paying it off. You could use the funds for whatever you want, but the interest rates are going to be fairly competitive to what you would find. Now, again, there's other factors such as your credit score, your debt to income, as well as your relationship with American Express. But this is a great way for you to be able to get access to some funds, potentially build your credit, without having to undergo a hard personal credit check. That's all for today's video. If anyone is interested in joining American Express, I've dropped an affiliate link down below. Until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.